So hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you the ultimate SteelSeries Sonar setup in 2026. How to configure sound and mic settings for gaming, chat, media and vocals so everything sounds perfect on your PC. Let's dive right in. First let's talk about what is Sonar. Sonar is an advanced audio mixer built into SteelSeries GG that gives you full control over every audio channel like game, chat, media, mic and aux with customizable equalizer, noise removal, spatial audio and more. It's way more powerful than Windows default settings. So once you install Sonar, go to the Mixer tab and make sure your devices are assigned correctly. The game tab shows your game audio, the chat tab shows your Discord or voice apps, the media tab shows music and videos, and the mic shows your microphone input settings. In the game tab, you'll see options like special audio. This is like virtual surround sound that makes footsteps and positional cues much clearer in competitive games. Boost it if you want more immersion, but I recommend to be normal. Volume boost increases game audio overall. You can also get 10 band equalizer where you can choose a preset or customize frequency. Use the mixer sliders to adjust how loud the game is so you can hear teammates without droning in gunfire. Next, in the chat channel, pick a preset that fits your voice chat or turn on smart volume so quieter voices are louder and loud voices don't clip. For media, choose a preset. Choose a preset like music or movie and tweak the equalizer to taste. Boost bass for deeper sound or mids for vocal clarity. Now the mic. In the mic tab, set your mic as the input device and then use noise reduction Clearcast AI which cuts out background noise like keyboards or fans. Then use the mic equalizer to boost clarity and that's it. All the settings done and you are ready to play. With Sonar properly set up, you will get crisp game sound, clear chat and a professional quality mic. Perfect for gaming or streaming in 2026. If you want preset exports, links or custom profiles, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thanks for watching.